Hello dear food enthusiasts! Since this pizza dough doesn't require yeast and, as the name suggests, is baked in a pan, its preparation is really quick. The taste doesn't suffer at all because, depending on your chosen toppings, it's absolutely delicious. First, for the base, we'll handle the toppings later, we need flour. I use spelt flour, but wheat works too, or a mix, butter, salt, an egg, and a splash of milk. Start by sieving the flour and salt together over a bowl, combining them, then add the cold butter, which has been pre-chopped. First, let's begin by incorporating that cold butter using a fork, and then continue to work it in gently with your hands until you create a slightly crumbly but cohesive dough that comes together nicely. It's time to add the whisked egg and milk right into the bowl containing the dough. Mix it well by hand until fully combined. No need to overwork it. This dough is fairly firm. Shape it into a ball to proceed. Gently roll the dough out evenly with your rolling pin until it matches the perfect size for your pan. Take a moment to grease the pan lightly. I typically use just a little oil for this step. Once it's greased, gently place the dough inside the pan, making sure to adjust its edges so everything stays nice and even. Put the pan over high heat to cook the base for 5 to 7 minutes until it's lightly browned. Now is a wonderful opportunity for you to prepare your toppings where you can really let your creativity flow. Let me share an idea that I think you'll love. Let's try a fantastic blend of fresh oregano and some shredded cheese to create an amazing topping for your pizza. I prefer mozzarella, but feel free to use another type. Add sliced tomatoes, thinly sliced cured turkey breast, and tomato paste. Returning to the base now, you have two options. Option 1. Gently brush the top with a little oil, layer on your toppings, and grill in the oven until golden and delicious. You can also flip the pizza base in the pan, and without hesitation, add your favorite toppings quickly to make sure that you are getting the best use of that delicious heat. First, take a spoon and spread the tomato paste evenly all the way to the edges of the base, and then sprinkle a generous amount of oregano over it. Next, layer the turkey breast, add the tomato slices, and, as a final touch, the shredded cheese. To ensure that all the tasty ingredients heat through properly and that the cheese melts beautifully, simply cover the pan with the lid. Continue to bake until done, then serve the pizza garnished with fresh basil leaves. It looks wonderful and tastes incredible. You'll notice how easy and quick it is to prepare this delightful pizza. The pizza looks appetizing and above all tastes as good. Enjoy the preparation and bon appetit. May your pizza be as delicious as it looks. Until next time, wishing you all the best. Cheers.